Starting around 08 November 2023, Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.075 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very huge. Doge generally has an especially complete market cap of $10,614,239,722, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $583,974,473 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This essentially makes Dogecoin, Doge, genuinely positioning at 9 in the digital money market, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin in every practical sense be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogecoin a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 amazingly? Will Doge cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? These by and large are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin Estimate Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to essentially cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.093, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to truly be $0.089, which is genuinely huge. Besides, Doge can really arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.098 in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin Value Gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0.072, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.082, with the kind of typical cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin Value Expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin is generally anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could especially arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $0.085, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in every way that really matters, huge way. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $0.086, which really is very critical. Dogecoin Value Forecast November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is by and large anticipated to basically reach at an especially least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, which basically shows that Doge really has an extremely complete market cap of $10,614,239,722, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $583,974,473, or so they explicitly thought. The Doge cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.093, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Value Forecast December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is truly anticipated to essentially reach at any rate worth of $0.089 in December 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could especially arrive at a greatest worth of $0.098, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, which sort of shows that Dogecoin Value Expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is explicitly anticipated to essentially reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin in every practical sense, past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.75% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. From most recent 7 days the Doge sort of was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 12.29%, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and in every practical sense, put resources into a sort of significant way without a doubt. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge explicitly diminished by 21.134%, disposing of an astounding especially normal amount of $0.020 from its genuinely current worth in an extremely huge manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an essentially decent, certainly purchase a valuable open door for especially fast speculation, which for the most part is very huge. The 90 days cost change truly is near 13.30%, and the cost especially coursed from a truly normal cost of $0.085 to sort of greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days, showing how besides Doge can arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.098 in a by and large huge manner. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Dogecoin in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, showing how Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to truly cross a very normal value level of $0.093. The normal genuinely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to really be $0.089 amazingly. Accordingly, we generally believe that comparable pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, which essentially is very huge. As per the barely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin in a real sense is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which most certainly is very critical. The coin basically is up by 4.54%, with the very greatest pretty typical cost of the coin truly was around $0.076, and the base pretty typical cost of in a real sense was around $0.073 and lovely beyond 4 months, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will especially be Dogecoin kind of worth in 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The Doge cost generally is gauged to basically arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $0.098, with truly least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, so the 90 days cost change explicitly is near 13.30%, and the cost basically circled from an in every way that really matters. Least sort of normal cost of $0.085 to extremely greatest kind of normal cost of $0.088 in the truly beyond 90 days, exhibiting how besides Doge can all things considered arrive at a greatest value level of $0.098, which for the most part is very critical. Does Dogecoin generally have a future, or so they for the most part